Hey, welcome back to Road to Data Engineer. This is going to be episode 31, short one today. So it's been a long time since I've made an episode, but basically just coming on here to talk about what I've been up to, some accomplishments, and just kind of catch up to speed. So I know in some of my last two actual working episodes, I kind of touched on that I started school again. So I'm going part-time to finish my bachelor's in computer science. So I've now been in school for 4 semesters. So I'm doing 2 classes a semester, though that's about to change to 3 a semester, and basically doing somewhere between 7 and 9 credit hours per semester, depending on how the classes fall, etc. So basically the short of that is that's going really well. In the 4 semesters I've had and the 8 classes I've taken, I've gotten 7 A's and 1 B. I just finished my summer semester here a couple weeks back. It's the best semester I've had yet. Really killed it. Feel really good about that. And I'm honestly learning a lot in school. There's lots of things that aren't relevant to my work, that aren't relevant to data analysis or data engineering, but there's lots of just little things that have really helped me at work. Like, we're using Java a lot in school. That's made me understanding OOP for Python so much easier and more clear, and I have a really good conception of that. I took a statistics class that impacted my work huge. I actually use statistics at work way more frequently now, even just basic stuff. I understand z-score better, I understand deviations better, standard deviation better, I understand distributions and how to look at histograms in a way that it gets insights better. Not crazy stuff, but really that stats 101 class just affected my work a lot and is one of the most impactful classes I've taken in any education that I've ever done. So totally worth it. So all that to say, school's going really well. Back last fall, I got moved to the national data team. So that was really good. And I started working on a pretty cool Genie Databricks project. So that's been interesting, and started basically doing a bunch of data engineering for that. So even though I was on the data science team in the national org as a data analyst, I was basically getting to build pipelines to feed a Genie. So that was awesome. And then in March, I actually got moved internally to one of our data engineering teams. They didn't change my title, so I'm still technically a senior data analyst by title on the team, but I'm now a senior on the data engineering team. So in a certain sense, I'm now a senior data engineer. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, in some sense, I guess I've met the goal, but it's really a team where we're doing more silver to gold layer type of data engineering. I don't do much raw ingestion, but on the positive side, I'm working with Databricks a ton, which is awesome. And Databricks is insane. The platform just gets better month after month. It's insane what they're doing with it. I'm using PySpark at work way more now. I'm learning more and more about Spark all the time and understanding it. That's been awesome. I'm managing actual pipelines. I've started setting up automated data quality checks. Yeah, it's been really great. So really enjoying that, learning, getting better. And, I still have intentions to be eventually on a data engineering team that's a little more mature than the team I'm on right now and is using maybe a little bit of a bigger stack, and where I'll get to do some actual ingestion. So to me, my goal still kind of remains. But in some sense, I am a data engineer and I am doing data engineering work now. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to make a few episodes in the coming weeks as I'm on a little break from school and work on the project more. And the first thing I'm going to do is try to clean up the GitHub repo and just make it a little bit more presentable. So just to recap, school is going really well. I'm learning things in school that I then can apply to my work, which is great. I've got to start actually be building data pipelines at work for over 6 months now, and I'm technically on the data engineering team. So all in all, things are going really well. Still have big goals for the future, but I am making progress and slowly building the career I want. So thanks for anybody who's checking in, and I'll be releasing some more videos soon. So I hope you have a wonderful day.